Dang, it's good.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it.
Can I get the chai oatmeal pudding?
Alright, the chai oatmeal pudding. What else?
Can I choose what fruit I want on it or no?
You can take off and add different ones if you like, or however you like to do it.
Could I do banana and strawberries?
So you don't want blueberries?
No, thank you.
So banana and strawberry?
Yes, please.
Alright, what else?
That'll be all.
Alright, hon, 1209. Thank you.
Thank you. Get my life.
$12.09, hon.
Okay, thank you.
Coming right out.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So I, as y'all saw, went to the gym. It was a cardio day for me. I am currently now leaving Tropical Smoothie because they have like the, basically what I be making at home. I be trying to do overnight oats, but it really be pudding. Let's just be honest. It's overnight pudding. And Tropical Smoothie has what they called chai oatmeal pudding. So I just tried that. It comes with like the, I want to say it comes with bananas and blueberries. I actually took the blueberries off and I did strawberry because y'all know I like the like strawberry and banana. That's just what I like. So I'm actually headed back to my Airbnb right now, and then I will try it on camera so we can see if it's worth getting or not. Not gonna lie, it was pricey. It was $12. I did not know it was gonna cost that much, but it is what it is, right? Hopefully it's good, because $12, that's like a whole meal, you know? Like we can go to McDonald's and still have money left over. You know what I mean? Although that's not healthy, but y'all know what I mean. Ooh. But today is the first night of preliminaries. It's actually the teen preliminary pageant tonight. So I will probably record me getting ready. We are gonna go to dinner before the pageant, and that's really it. I don't really know what I wanna wear tonight. I kind of have an idea. I think I'm gonna do my mauve ruche dress, the one that I wore to work, the black one, but this one is mauve color. I think that's what I'm gonna wear, just because I feel like it's a nice dress and it'll be easy to dress up. I feel like long as I beat my face and have some nice jewelry on, it'll be fine. And I put my good heels on and we're good. So I'm leaning more towards that, but I'm gonna go through my suitcase just to remind myself all what I brought. So, if there's a better outfit, I'll wear it. If not, I'll probably stick to that. Because today is Wednesday. So like I said, it's team preliminary tonight. Tomorrow is the Miss preliminary, which I'll probably dress up a little bit more for that. Friday, everybody does talent. It's like a talent show. And then Saturday is the final day and night. So teens are getting the teens. We will find out who Miss South Carolina teen is at 2, and then we will find out who Miss South Carolina is at 8 p.m. So that's the plan. So I will see y'all at the house so we can eat, because I'm hungry. Oh, at least it's a good size. This thing was $12. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I did strawberries instead of blueberries, and that's bananas, the chai, yogurt, and oats. Look like some granola in there too. Let's see what this is tasting like. Oh, I should have did a picture. Damn, I forgot. Too late. Woo, this is good. Dang, that's good. Okay, y'all, finally got dressed. Just wanted to show y'all what I have on. I have on this pink and red two-piece that I got from SHEA. I just tucked it in. Also have these beautiful earrings that I also got from SHEA with the pink detail. I have gold accessories on per usual, and then I have my clear bag. Super cute. Oh, heels. I just have clear heels on. They're from Fashion Nova. They have like the iridescent color to them. It kind of gives like a mermaid feel, but nothing too crazy. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. I kind of ditched y'all yesterday. I'm sorry. I felt like time just sped up and I just had to do things. And then one of the committee members that I am sharing the Airbnb with, she came, and so I kind of ditched y'all after I showed y'all my outfit. And I'm so sorry. The pageant was great. So the pageant was just like the teens preliminary. So we've seen them do like their evening gown and physical fitness and their own stage question. It was great, great, great. Now I am currently at Starbucks. I actually just got me some coffee. So this is the caramel vanilla swirl iced coffee. I did get grande. I just put it in a venti cup. I did get sweet cold foam. I did tell them to line the cup with caramel, and I did get extra vanilla sweet cream. Is this healthy? No, but I went to the gym every day this week. It's delicious. Woo! But yeah, currently, oh, and I did get me a croissant. I shouldn't have got that croissant. I should have got me some egg bites, but that didn't happen. But currently now I am headed to the Hilton. I have to go to a meeting this morning. I'm in everybody's way. I gotta move. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Am I gonna be able to record in the meeting? Probably not, but I will touch base with y'all after the meeting. Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. I know I did a terrible job recording me in Colombia. I think what threw me off was that I was in the Airbnb with someone else, so I just didn't want to make them feel uncomfortable with the camera. I did record a lot of reels and TikToks of like my outfits, but I really didn't get the pageant, at least not as good as I did last year. So the pageant was good. Davis Wash is our new Miss South Carolina. We wish her well, and I'm back home. So, you know, back to the scheduled program. I am getting ready for work right now. I'm dressed. I need to fix my coffee. I need to switch out my work bags. But yeah, I will probably see y'all later this afternoon. We're gonna go to the gym today. But I just wanted to check in because I kind of left y'all hanging. So we'll probably close that vlog today, but just to make sure we catch up and, you know, we have enough content for this vlog, I'll see y'all at the gym, okay?
Finish it. seen it. Yes, and I knew that you would say it. So now you wanna play this. You got somebody up in the next predicament. Don't trip and scream the scream. That's just what we dealing with. Corner of the store to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there. All of the things that you and me with. You made me wanna love you. Corner of the store just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there. All of the things that you and me with. You made me wanna go. You made me wanna be there. You made me wanna go. You made me wanna be there. You made me wanna go to just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there. All of the things. Go, baby.